In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your Odoo dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the Odoo website. You should see the main dashboard that provides access to all the applications you have installed. This serves as your hub for all activities in Odoo. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to go to the Accounting app. Look for the accounting icon and click on it. This is where all financial transactions, including invoices and expenses, are managed. Upon entering the Accounting app, find and click on the Dashboard option. This will give you a broad overview of your accounting activities. From here, you'll want to focus on your customer invoices specifically. On the left side menu, you'll see an option labeled Customers. Click on that and then select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices section where you can manage all your billing. Now that you're in the Invoices section, look for the New button. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new invoice form for you to fill out. The next step is really critical. You'll see a field labeled Customer. Here, you need to enter the name of the customer to whom you're issuing the invoice. This is vital for ensuring that the invoice is correctly directed to the right person or business. After entering the customer's name, move on to catalog the products or services that you are billing for. Click on the Catalog option and select the products requested by the customer. It's a simple click and select process. Once you've chosen all the necessary products, remember to click on Back to Invoice to return to your invoice form. This step will ensure that the items selected will be included in the invoice you're about to create. Next, with all your products listed, it's time to confirm the invoice. Look for the Confirmation button on the interface and click on Confirm. This action solidifies the invoice, making it official. Now, we're nearing the end. If you want to send this invoice, you can do that right from the platform. There's a Send button that allows you to email the invoice directly to your customer. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can print the invoice and send it manually. After you hit Send, you will see a prompt to click on Continue. Just click that, and you're almost done. Finally, you'll see another Send button. Go ahead and click it one last time to dispatch the invoice. And there you have it. You're done. Your invoice is now created and sent to the customer. It's a simple process that can make managing your business finances much more streamlined. That's it for today's tutorial on creating an invoice in Odoo. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.